You have seen the ads, right? The ones showing a creator effortlessly building a sleek, professional looking mobile in minutes. No coding required. They make it look like a piece of cake, but is that the real story? Is it actually that simple? So I decided to find it out. I have spent the last few months deep inside the fashion platform, and I'm not just talking about clicking around. I have been building, launching, and testing every feature. I have dug into the pricing, connected my bank account, and tracked my own earnings. So I'm here to give you the unfiltered truth about whether Fashion.io is really worth the hefty price tag for creators like, or if it's just another overhyped tool wrapped in shiny marketing. We are going to break down the good, the bad, and the crucial details you won't hear in their ads. If you are a course creator or entrepreneur, wonder if this is the key to unlocking the next level of your business, you are in the right place. This is the review I wish I had before I spent my own money. Before getting started, don't forget to subscribe because most of the viewers who find the video useful forget to subscribe later. So let's get started. Let's be real for a minute. You have got a skill, unique knowledge, and maybe you have even built a community around it online. The dream is to package all that value into a premium home for your business. That means your own app. An app just feels legit. It's a space you own, a direct line to your audience without battling algorithms, and a powerful way to deliver your content. But the second you start looking into it, that dream slams into a brick wall. The first quote from an app development agency is jaw-dropping. We are talking about $10,000s, and that's just to get started. Forget about the maintenance and bug fixes. So you think, okay, I will learn to code it myself. A few YouTube tutorials later, you are drowned in technical jargon that feels like a foreign language. Actually, this was my exact journey. I was completely frustrated trying to find out the best way to create a central hub for my content and community. The code I got from developer weren't even in the same zip code as my budget. I wrestled with complicated plugins that promised the world but delivered a clunky, disjointed mess for my users. It felt like I had to choose between going into debt or setting for a solution that didn't live up to my brand. And that's exactly where Fashion.io shoved in, promising to be the bridge over the chasm of cost and complexity. Does it actually deliver? So what is Fashion.io when you strip away the marketing fluff? Basically, it's a no-code drag and drop platform made especially for creator courses who want to build and launch their own branded mobile apps. The whole idea is to make app creation accessible to everyone, no matter your tech skill. Think of it this way: if you Shopify let you build an e-commerce store without being a developer, Fashion.io wants to do the same thing for mobile apps. It gives you a framework and a bunch of tools to create an app that you can publish on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. It's also accessible on the web. This isn't just a place to host video lessons. It's designed to be complete interactive world for your business. You can create courses, build communities, run challenges, and most importantly, make money directly from your own app. The big sell is that you are not just building a course, you are building self-content universe for your clients right on their phone home screen. Alright, so what are you actually paying for? Let's break down what this thing can do. First is the drag and drop app builder. This is the heart of the platform. You log in, you get a clean interface where you can add different widgets to your app skin. Things like images, videos, text blocks, buttons. It's pretty initiative. What you see, what you get. You are not writing a code, you are just stacking pre-made block to design the user experience. For non-coder, it feels incredibly empowering to see you to come live right before your eyes. Next, you have the interactive content and learning feature. This is where Fashion.io starts to pull away from a standard course platform. You can build more than just video lessons. You can create entire interactive experiences. You can make quizzes to test knowledge, use timer for timed exercises, which is used for fitness and productivity courses, and set goal tracking to keep clients motivated. You can even embed worksheets and other resources right inside the lesson. This focus on engagement is a big deal because it's what keeps user coming back. Another feature is the built-in community functionality. Instead of juggling a separate Facebook group or Discord server, you can host your community right inside your app with discussion forums and group challenges. This is game changer for building a loyalty. When your content and community are in the same place, the experience is seamless and the value of your subscription just skyrockets. And of course, monetization, this is where we are here, isn't it? Fashion.io gives you a flexible way to charge for your app. You can sell one-time course or for recurring subscription or even use freemium model to get people in the door. It handles in-house purchases, meaning users can buy directly and securely through the app store, which makes the whole transaction process full smooth and trustworthy. And finally, two powerful features, especially on the higher tier plan, are push notification and drip content. Push notifications are your direct line to your audience, a message that pops on their phone reminding them about a new lesson or a special offer. It's an incredible powerful way to boost engagement. Drip content lets you release your lesson over time so a new user isn't overwhelmed for day one. For a 30-day challenge, you can set it to automatically unlock a new lesson each day. Okay, let's get down to it. No platform is perfect and Passion.io has its share of quirks. After months of using it, here are my honest pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The number one pros is it's incredibly easy to use. The no-code promise is lazy. A total beginner can genuinely build a functional, good-looking without touching a single line of code. The learning curve is surprisingly gentle and their tutorials are actually helpful. Secondly, the all-in-one ecosystem. Having your courses, community, and payment in one branded app is a massive professional upgrade. It cleans your business backend and creates a far more premium experience for your customers than tapping five different software tools together. The third one is powerful engagement tools. The interactive features aren't just for show. Things like progress tracking, quizzes, time challenges really do lead to better results for your clients, which means less churn and higher perceived value for what you are offering. The fourth, direct audience access. An app on someone's phone plus push notification is a marketer's dream. You are no longer at the mercy of a social media algorithm to reach the people who already bought into your brand. Now, for the cons, you will want to pay close attention here. The price tag. This is not the cheap tool. While prices can vary, you are generally looking at plans that starts around $99 per month when you pay annually, and with the more popular and feature-rich plan will cost you almost $239 per month till 2025. This is a serious monthly expense and you need to confident you can monetize your app to make it worth it. And another big deal is the top of the subscription Fashion.io's own payment gateway. The Passion Payments takes a 3.9% transaction fees on sales. That's the higher and many competitors. It adds fast as you grow. You can use external checkout to get around this on some plans, but it's an important detail to be aware of. Plus, you sell via in-app purchases. Apple and Google take their own cut, which can be anywhere between 15 to 30%. So customization also has some limit. While the builder is easy to use, it's not a magic wand. You are working within the widget framework that Passion.io provides. If you have a super specific design or a complex feature in mind, you're likely to find a platform that is very restrictive. You're creating ultimate control for simplicity. The fourth one, the lower tier plan has limitations. You can have a limited subscriber like 100 and 100 videos. For any SEO creator, that 100 subscriber limit can be hit very quickly, eventually forcing you to upgrade to a much more expensive plan to keep growing. So, did I actually make any money? Yes, the platform absolutely gives you the tools to generate revenue. I set up subscription for my community premium content, and that recurring revenue started rolling in. The in-app purchases process is slick, which build trust with customers and definitely helps with conversions. But here is the unfiltered part. Passion.io is not magic money machine. It's a tool, a powerful one, yes, but still just a tool. Your success will depend entirely on two things: the quality of your content and your ability to market your app. Building the app is just step one. You still have to get people to download it, then convince them to pay. The platform features like the community and progress tracking are fantastic for retention. They keep people subscribed longer, but they won't find the customers for you. My earnings came because I already had an audience to market the app to. If you're starting from the scratch with no audience, you need to a serious marketing plan to make back your investment on the monthly fee. So after all the building, testing, tracking, is Passion.io worth the investment? Here's my final take. It completely depends on where you are in your creator journey. Passion.io is absolutely worth it for established courses, expert and creators who already have an audience and a proven offer. If you're ready to elevate your brand, create a premium all-in-one experience for your client, and you see this as a serious business investment, then Passion.io could be the perfect tool to scale your business. It's for the person who wants to graduate from a scattered mess of social media group and course platform into a professional branded world they own. However, Fashion.io is probably not worth it if you are a complete beginner on tight budget, if you haven't built your idea or built an audience yet, and high monthly fee and transaction cost will likely become financial burden before you even start making money. In that cases, starting with more affordable platform like LearnWorlds can be the first step. It's also not for the someone who needs deep custom features that go beyond what the platform widget can offer. The best way to know for sure is to see it for yourself. Passion.io's policy can be inconsistent. Some sources mention 14-day free trial, while many others clarify that there isn't one. But they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, test it thoroughly, and get a full refund if it's not for you. I have left a link for that in the description below. Go through the process, see how the builder feels, and get a sense of its potential for your business. And one more thing, Passion.io doesn't give you access to the source code. In that case, you can try the drop it. So if you have any question about my experience, drop them in the comment. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.